Okay, hey guys, so this is gonna be a top 10 of rare species in my collection. So yeah, firstly I got this Coralacoma chicken, and I don't know how rare are them, so yeah, they are not in the range, but I'll try to like put them in the range. So yeah, so it has the original packaging. You can see, as I said, it is Coralacoma chicken. So yeah. And then I got this rose t-shirt squishy. So yeah. And then thirdly will be this bunny. And then will be this Chibashka, because it's like rare in Singapore, I guess, but it's like common in Australia and everywhere. I don't know. This Jumbo Mickey mascot. This real license Jumbo Hello Kitty donut squishy in the original packaging, and it has the tag. So yeah, it's really squishy. This Jumbo Ricotta pancake. This two battle necklace. And lastly, this Hello Kitty soap squishy that I got for Samuel also. So yep, is all. So yep, thanks for watching. Bye.